Hi, we are PSNC FutureLabs, a living lab that is located in Poznań, Poland. This workshop shows how engaging local communities from the very beginning of a library transformation helps to produce human-centric innovations. Participants will be acquainted with our real-life experience of libraries' transition into living labs. They will learn how to form interdisciplinary teams to work out alternative user journeys with the aid of new technologies. Also, thanks to practical usage of elements of design thinking methodology, they will learn how to work on problem solutions. These workshops, even though designed for libraries transition, it is also designed for a larger audience.